Okay, so every HTML document start with some basic structures. So here how it goes. Doc type HTML. So this thing is basically an HTML file which starts with the tag doctype HTML and ends with the HTML. Now you are questioning like, what is this doctype? This field actually tells the browser that the file you are serving is actually an HTML5 file. So HTML5 is the newest version, the latest version of HTML. So this HTML actually consists of two parts, which is a head and a body. So this head part actually contains all the meta information like titles and all that stuff, and the body holds the visible content of your page. So let's give a title for this page. Okay, so for now that's pretty much it for our basic structure of HTML. So if you want to see it like better from the VS Code and faster way, so there's a faster way. So we are going to install an extension called Live Server. So from this field on the extensions, you can just search server. There it has the Live Server. So I'm going to install it. Okay, so it's installed right now. So after that, let's go to your index.html file, and there you can see a small field called go live. Okay, so now let's go live and see what we have created. That's it. See, you can see the title of this website, which is called website, and it's pretty basic, right? The body contains nothing, it's just a blank page and all. But congrats, you have built your first HTML page. Okay, now let's give the HTML page some content. So we are going to start with the header, which is basically acts of the title of the whole body of the web page. So we have like in HTML, we have basically 6 type of headers, which are declared from H1 to H6. So H1 is the largest of the headers and H6 is the smallest of the headers. So this is the largest. Then in H6, this is the smallest. Okay. And between them we have H2, H3, H4 and H5. So I'm gonna also create them. So there comes H4. Okay, so now let's see like the headers, how they look. Okay, now let's go live again. Okay, so you can see this one is the H1, which is the largest of the header, and this one is H6, which is the smallest of the header. This one is H2, H3, H4 and H5. Now you are thinking like, why do we need so many headers, right? We can only have like H1. This is actually very much important for the SEO and all this styling that you can do. If you want to do with like only HTML, you can use them, the different type of headers, and also for the SEO it is really important. It plays a really important role. So we will learn all about this later in the chapters, But for now, that's it for the headers.